guys, this is Sanjay from FTC Team 7477, Super 7. Today, we're going to be talking about wrapper classes in Java, which allow you to treat primitive data types as objects. So, what are wrapper classes? In Java, we have primitive types like int, char, and double, and more. But what if we need them to be stored as objects, or store them in collections such as array lists? That's where wrapper classes come in hand. Each primitive type has a corresponding wrapper class. So here are some common wrapper classes. So let's say we're wrapping int, right? So int goes to integer. Integer, integer. Double goes to double. Char goes to character. Char goes to character, And last but not least, Boolean goes to Boolean. So the wrappers of these are essentially just the first character capitalized, or if they're pretty short, they just expand the remaining parts, such as integer and char to character. Next, let's create a wrapper object using some action code. So, public class, our class name must match our file name, so our class name must be main. Public class main, and our main method, which is public static void main string and args. So essentially how you would use wrappers is you just do integer num, integer num, wrapper class equals new integer and new integer and 10, right? So the value of my integer is essentially 10, right? And we can just make another thing called character, SD capitalized, character, letter equals new character, and you can just call it A, right? So this is how you traditionally do it, but in newer Java updates and types, this way is discontinued. The way you're using constructors, it's discontinued. So this is the main way to do it, called autoboxing. So we can just keep our main class and main method, and we can let's just have a random number, right? So int num equals, like, let's say 10, right? And integer wrapped num. So we're essentially wrapping the num using this autoboxing. So integer wrap num is just equal to num. This is the autoboxing part. And we can essentially do the same thing for characters as well. So char letter, let's say it's like A. So to autobox it, you just do character wrapped letter equals letter. This is essentially how you would wrap nums and integers and characters in the newer versions of Java. Next, let's talk about unboxing, which is essentially taking a wrap number and putting it back into a primitive. You would do kind of the same logic, so let's say integer wrapped equals 10. Integer wrapped equals 10. You would just set let's just say int num in its primitive form equal to wrapped, which is how you unbox. So you have autoboxing, which is assigning a primitive to a wrapper, and unboxing is when you assign a wrapper to a primitive. So similarly, unboxing happens automatically when we convert a wrapper object back into its primitive form. So, in conclusion, wrapper classes allow us to treat primitives as objects. Autoboxing and unboxing make conversion seamless. So, wrappers are essential when working with collections or needing object functionality for primitive values. Thank you guys for watching this 3% programming tutorial, and see you next time.